Secret shortcut to beat Tower of Hell. Discover the hidden path in level 5 that saves you 30 seconds and dodge all traps like a pro.
Hey Robloxians. Did you know there's a secret path in level 5 of Tower of Hell that can shave off 30 seconds from your time? This hidden gem is perfect for speedruns and boosting your leaderboard position. Let's dive in and discover this mystery path.
Alright, gamers, time to talk jumps. This shortcut requires you to master a tricky jump sequence. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Time your jumps perfectly, keep your momentum, and watch as you speed past challenges with ease. Precision is the name of the game here.
Watch out for traps. As you navigate the shortcut, you'll encounter some sneaky traps. Stay sharp and dodge these like a pro by keeping an eye on the patterns and acting fast. Avoiding these will keep your speed high and your frustration low. Want to beat your personal best? This shortcut is your ticket to improving your time significantly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these time-saving secrets will help you climb the ranks. Give it a try and watch your leaderboard position soar. Now it's your turn to try this shortcut and see how much time you save. Jump into your next game and put these tips to the test. Let us know your results in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden Roblox secrets and tips.